Determine the x values, if any, at which the function has a horizontal tangent line. Now, a horizontal tangent line means slope is going to equal 0. So what I have to do is I have to find the slope of the tangent line, which means derivative, and then set it equal to 0. Well, this, boys and girls, is quotient rule. So I'll label u and I'll label v, and the quotient rule says that if I take the derivative of u over v, I get u prime v minus v prime u all over v squared. Okay, so let's do that. Let's find out what u prime is. Okay, so if u is 4x cubed, u prime is going to be 12x squared because of power rule. And if I have negative 10x squared, then that's going to become negative 20x because of power rule once again. V prime is going to be the derivative of 2x, which is 2 because of power rule. And then v squared is going to be 2x squared, which is 4x squared because of multiplying things. Now let's set this all up. Okay, v prime of x is going to equal u prime v, so u prime was 12x squared minus 20x times v, which is times 2x, minus v prime was just regular old 2, times u, which was 4x to the third minus 10x squared. And that's going to be all over 4x squared. Okay, so let's set this equal to 0, because that's the next step. Let's distribute that. U become 24x to the third minus 40x squared. Let's distribute negative 2 minus 8x cubed plus, that was a close one, plus 20x squared all over 4x squared. Now, whenever you have 0 equals blah, blah, blah over stuff, that bottom stuff doesn't matter. Get rid of it. Because you would just multiply both sides by 4x squared and then it's gone. So 0 is going to equal, let's combine like terms. Okay. So 24x cubed minus 8x cubed is going to be 16x cubed. Positive 40x squared plus 20x squared is going to be minus 20x squared. Okay. Let's factor out a 4x squared. And so that becomes 0 equals 4x squared. And then we're left with 4x minus 5. Okay, so over here in purple, where I have a little bit more space, we can do the zero product property and set 4x squared equal to 0. Divide both sides by 4, which keeps it at 0. Take the square root of both sides, which is going to be plus or negative square root of 0. And x is going to equal plus or negative 0, which is just 0. So we got a double root going on there. Okay, easy peasy lemon squeezy. Then over here, and we'll use green because we haven't done that yet, I have 4x minus 5 equals 0. Add 5, so 4x equals 5. Divide by 4, and x equals 5 over 4. So my two x values that give me horizontal tangent lines are going to be x equals 0 and 5 over 4. And it was the quotient rule that gave us that. Thank you, quotient rule. Thank you so much.